So this video is intended to help you guys log into Accelerated Math. This should look familiar because it's how you sign in to take your RenStar. So in order to do this, you would click I am a student. You would enter your login information. So I have a student's login information. This information is provided to you in the PDF I sent out earlier. So you would enter in your username. You can just copy and paste it from the letter as I am doing right now. And to protect the privacy of the student, that is why I'm not showing it to you from the letter, but you'll see it where it says login and the password is your birth date. The letters are customized, so your birth date is on that letter. So log in here. This will take you to Renaissance. You can click Save Passwords. This is not my account. I am not going to do that, but it will save it. That way you don't have to log in every single time. In order to access Accelerated Math, it is not Star Math. You would actually have to go to Math and Other Apps. And then right here, you would see the Accelerated Math tab. From here, you would click Start Practice. You will complete 4 of these assignments. So you would complete 4 of these. You would take an exam. So when you would start this, you would click Start. Write down the sub-skill on any notes. So you have to take notes for every one of these assignments that you are completing. So you would compare fractions and unlike. So you would write this down on a piece of paper. You would start your practice. What I recommend doing is writing down the question and your answer. We need to have all of your notes. If you don't have your notes, that will not count for a unit. So that is how you sign in. After you complete those 6 questions, that's considered one sub-skill. So let me write this down with my little writing utensil. So you would have, so every 6 questions is one sub-skill. You need to get 5 out of the 6 questions correct, 5 of 6 questions correct to pass the sub-skill. Otherwise, you would have to redo. So if you have less than that, you would have to redo it. Every 4 sub-skills. So every one of your practice is considered a sub-skill. So this is a sub-skill. As you complete them, you'll start seeing the assignments right here. So completed sub-skills. So once you complete 4 sub-skills, you email me, email Victor Beltran at OFL Schools, and this email is found on the letter given to you, oflschools.org, and I'll give you a test. So for every 4 sub-skills, you take 1 test. Once you complete the 12 sub-skills, so 12 sub-skills and 3 tests, this equals 1 unit. So, and every sub-skill is only 6 questions. You can always practice. There's other resources for you to use. So if you need resources to try to study what you're doing, so let's say you want to work on this practice, you can go in here and work on Khan Academy in case you're not understanding it. You can also make an appointment with me. That appointment link, um, I will add it to the letter. I believe the letters I have sent in the past do not have that appointment link. I will add that appointment link, or you can always email me to see if an additional appointment is available. So you'll have a few ways to contact me. You can always use Remind, Google Voice, email, or the Calendly link. Calendly link. And this one is for appointments. This lets you schedule an appointment without necessarily having to hear back from me. So I have times available. Sometimes they fill up really fast, so you might have to do it a week in advance. But you have all of these methods to contact me when it comes to accelerated math. Again, our appointments are Tuesday and Wednesday from 1 to 2. If you need appointment times outside of us, use Calendly or send me an email and we can work something out. So your goal is to complete at least 3 sub skills a week. 3 sub skills a week. So at some point in time, so there's going to be some weeks where you don't do it. If you complete more than 3 sub skills, ideally you would probably want to start completing 4 sub skills a week. Um, then you can start testing every week, and after 3 weeks, you get a unit in. So this should be one of the units you're turning in every month if you're doing it correctly. Um, if you don't do the 3 sub skills, it's going to bring you a little bit behind. But if you're doing 4 sub skills a week, you're going to get a unit in every 3 weeks. If you do the bare minimum, the 3 sub skills a week, you're barely going to be able to get that 1 unit in. All right. Hopefully, this video helps.